For every 4 or 5 months you need to change all the strings and get the new strings, and making the filing on the bridge, it is called javari, so you can maintain the tonal quality by filing with the you take the file and make it appropriate filing on the bridge. It's a technique. So there are two javaris called, one is a khula javari, another is band javari. Khula javari means it will be easier for your hand and the tonal quality will be little shrill, and band javari will be little tight to the hand, and you will get more sustenance by doing the band javari. To tune a sitar, mainly we are tuning this bass string or the copper string, what we call it like jod string, to the D note. It is tuned to the D. This is the key for that one. We tune it to the D note. And the next string, which we call it like gandhar, it is tuned to the F sharp. And the next one, we call it like pancham string, it is tuned to the A note. So D, F sharp and A, and these two strings we call it like chikari. It is tuned to the middle octave D, the first one, and the last string is tuned to the higher octave D. And the first string, which we call it like main string or baj ki tar, it is tuned to the G or ma. And if you press this one tuning the G, and on the 7th fret again it will sound D or sa. Sometimes you can use the chromatic tuner, or even the tanpura is the best. Sometimes chromatic tuner also you can use it. These are the small keys are used for the sympathetic strings, which we call it like taraf strings. You have to tune it like this. These are the small keys for the tuning. It is tuned according to the raga, whatever the raga you are playing, you have to tune it like that. Everyday practice is must. You should not skip a single day also. This is very, very important. According to me, at least 1.5 hour or 2 hours is the best everyday practice. And every day you start with the basics like sargam. Saragama Padani Sani Dappa Magaresa. This is very must. You must play with this, and then later you can play the different exercises. Hello viewers. For more videos on sitar learning, please subscribe to Octavesonline. Thank you.
To watch and learn from more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.